Okay, we've sanded it down some. We've drilled our holes for the eyes, so now we have to go in and take out some of the back here. I took some of this out so it won't catch on the spring. And I've taken a little bit out back here. And what we're going to do is drill these for the, open these up in the back for the eyes. You can see we're good taking some of this out. We got to get it down to where our eyes will fit in here. And then we'll be back. If you enjoy my videos, please click like on my YouTube page and subscribe. Thank you.